Want to change the thumbnail for your YouTube short? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, you will need to open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Tap on the Library tab, which is located in the bottom right corner of the app, to see your content. Find the section called Your Videos and tap on it. Now you see your videos uploaded. Tap on the Shorts tab from the top. Now you see All Shorts. Tap on the short video you want to edit the thumbnail. You cannot upload a custom thumbnail on a short video, but you can use any frame from the video. Now tap on the three-dot menu from the top. Select from the menu Edit. Now, on the Edit page, tap the Thumbnail Edit icon. You can now move the slider at the bottom to select the exact thumbnail. You can also add text by tapping the A icon on the right. After you have finished updating the thumbnail, you can tap the Done button at the top. You can do the same when you upload or make a short video from the YouTube app. Please remember that the YouTube Studio app does not have this feature to edit the thumbnail for a short video. And that's how you can change the thumbnail on YouTube Shorts, either by selecting a frame on mobile or uploading a custom one via YouTube Studio. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.